Next is that the short experiment. Use the 45 minutes for the short experiment. This short experiment selected from the long experiment. Only small parts are there. Means if you consider Kelvin 6 readings are there, here you have to calculate the 3 readings. Like that, first one will come here. The first is the surface tension. Question is given here S2. We selected the question is S2. Next is that the formula, again same formula is there, and here aim is given as the to find out the surface tension value. Previously we are finding the radius of it, now we are finding the surface tension. Surface tension formula 490 into HR. We require the H value of it. Radius is given. Here radius is given, that is 0.05 centimeter. Subtract the radius value. After that multiplication, you can easily multiply, or if you are perfect in a log calculation, do the log calculation. And after that subtract the value, tension of this water is whatever it is there, and then write the unit is dyne per centimeter. Next is that the sonometer. For short experiment, again same patterns are there. Aim, apparatus, diagram. Similar to the long experiment, aim, apparatus, diagram, formula is given. Write formula. After that procedure means write up activity. Write at least 4 or 5 lines for that experiments. Means that is a procedure. Procedure is not there. Observation tables and the calculations are there. Calculations and graphs are there. Okay. Here again precaution is not needed. Don't write the precaution of it. Previously precaution, at least 2 precautions are important, and for the precaution 1 marks was there. Now that part is cancelled. Next is that the first part is over. Next experiment, sonometer 1. Sonometer 1, here we are not taking the all these 6 readings are 4 readings are there. 4 or 5 readings. We are not measuring the 5 readings. Only 1 reading. Now which is that 1 reading? Now see that here we are finding the unknown frequency. We are finding the unknown frequency Nx. How to find out the unknown frequency? Unknown frequency formula is given. Nx is equal to mean NL divided by Lx. Mean NL divided by Lx means this mean NL already we people are giving you. 8,000, 9,000, whatever it is there, we measure it and we are directly giving you. And here in this case, you people are measuring long experiment. And in short experiment, we people are directly giving you NL value. You just write this NL value and measure the Lx value. Take the unknown frequency. Check that when the paper rider adjusts the vibrating length, when paper rider will fall down, that time note down the length of it, substitute here, you will get the unknown frequency. Is it clear? And after that do the calculation. If you know the easily division of it, do that, or if there is a lengthy experiments, lengthy calculations are there, use the log calculation. Somewhere draw one line, calculate their answer of it, and then write the answer here. If result unknown frequencies are this much, and for it unknown frequency unit is hertz. That right, the hertz is the unknown frequency. Next is the sonometer 2. Sonometer 2 similar to it. Here all these observation tables is not needed. Directly we people are given as a T upon L square. That ratio already we people are giving you, and then use this formula to find the unknown tension. Means again this bag is attached to it at the hanger, and then measure its length, and then that length is substitute here T upon L square. If it is a 5,000 and then length is a 20 square becomes as a 400. That 400 multiply by 5,000, whatever multiplication will come here, that will be the unknown tension. This is a very simple part is there, because T upon L square already given. There is no need to do all these calculations of it for 4 or 5 readings. No, don't require for it. Only 1 reading is required. Means only make the observation table for the 1 reading. Next is that the Kelvins. Again already I mentioned that in short experiments of the Kelvin only 3 readings are required. Here 6 reading already calculated. Here only the 3 readings are there. Interchange the position, that part we are not performing here. Only 3 readings and then take the mean of it. Next one is the logic gate. I think in long experiment logic gate is remain. Is right? In long experiment logic gate L is equal to 31. Okay, that question is selected. In that case, OR and NAND gate, or maybe that gate will be the change. OR and OR gate, NOR gate, or NOR gate or NAND gate. Like that we can select the on this combination of it. 3 gates are there. In long experiment 3 gates are given, and you draw the again aim, apparatus. After that diagram means here the symbols are there, truth tables, and right in result all this truth table of this, all the logic gates are verified from the truth tables. Like that we get the its result. Same here, the in short experiment out of these 3, here you are performing the 3 logic gates. Okay, but here only 1 logic gates are given. Means or AND gate will be given, OR gate and NOT gate, and you same procedure follow here. Write the aim, apparatus, diagram means the symbol of it, truth table, and then write the result of it. Verify this truth table with that apparatus, and then write the sentence of it. We verified all this logic gate. Whichever logic gate I mention its name. Next one is the, after that we come to the activity. Short experiment, first is a long experiment, next is a short experiment. Activity parts are there. In activity questions is selected A5. In activity within a 30 minutes finish that activity. Here you can write the conclusion or result is very important. If you come to that pattern of it, same pattern is there, aim, apparatus, diagram, and but here write up activities are there. Write up activities procedure, what you are doing there, that write in a 4 sentence of it. Okay, and then after that observation and calculation, calculation, not lengthy calculations are there, somewhere only the conclusions are important. Graph is given, that graph, from the graph write the conclusion. Like that here the Newton's law of cooling. You will get the 2 beakers of here, 2 calorimeters are given. One is a black surface, another one is a polished surface. Then hot waters are given, and then you note down the cooling temperature of it, and then plot the graph. And that from this 2 graph write the conclusion. Means here writing the conclusion is very important. Writing the write up activity, that part is important. Next is a potentiometer. In potentiometer finding the V upon L potential gradient. That observation tables are there. After the write up activities are there. Next one is the calculations parts are there. V upon L means you have to find out the its ratio. Again graph is not mentioned, means don't plot the graph of it. Only the mean value. Write this mean value V upon L is equal to this value V volt per centimeter. Next is the surface tension. Question is given as a A1. For this case question is not given, but you have to find out the volt per potential gradient. Next is the surface tension. A1 for slip we selected, and here again write the conclusion. One is a soap solution, another is a water, and then find out its height, and then compare with the height, write the conclusion. What is the effect on the surface tension? Next is the LDR is there, light dependent resistance. In that case selected, the question is a A9, right? Again draw the graph of it, and then after the observation table graph, and then conclusion. Next is a simple pendulum. In simple pendulum we are finding the value of the, it is not simple pendulum, it is a second pendulum, and then write the length of the second pendulum. From the observation table calculation part write the answer of it. Here conclusion is not important, here the answer is very important. Means this part answer is important, this part answer is important, potentiometer and simple pendulum. Have you understood? Like that complete your journal, certified journal, you will get the marks of it, 5 marks for the certified journal. For the Viva question, if you are giving the answer correctly for it, you will get the marks for the Viva, and remaining long experiment, short experiment and activity part. Okay, thank you.